In a cave in the woods, it is deep, dark lair. Through the long, cold winter sweeps the great brown bear. Through the long, cuddled in a sheep with his eyes shut tight, he sees through the day. He sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sound got old, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls through the cave. From a fluff, cold snow, mouse peeks too. Too dark, so he likes boutiques from his hot spark. The claws pit-pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Who knows?" says hare. "Moose." So we pop more corn, and we brew black tea. Mouse stokes. Mouse. What is it? Sips, we slurps. Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger snuggles by, snuffs at the air. I brought yum-yums. Perhaps we can share. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Go for a moment. Till we're up for the floor. No. Then a run and a raven. Throw her in through the door. And they chat and they chitter. The bear stones on. In the cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his own lair. Mouse stokes fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear watch. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Bear wakes up. Bear narrows and he snarls. Bear roars and he wobbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Snuck in there. He wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. Then he sighs with delight. Then he spins tortillas with a blustery night. When the sun peeks up, on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. What?
The end.
The end.